Our site structure contains a placeholder for a resume page that we've yet to add content to. And we're going to do that at this time, but in a slightly different way than we've done for any of the other page content. In order to do this, I'm going to select the resume page holder and click on Page View. And note that the navigation bar in the left master border reflects the site structure, and clicking on each one of the button links here will bring us to the respective pages. Well, when you click and select the navigation bar, naturally the navigation bar properties palette appears over to the right here. And note that the structure view was set to site view. Well, what we need to do to accomplish our objectives is switch over to custom view. And then select edit custom so that we can come up with our own custom site structure and modify that resume link. Now currently our internal links reflect the site structure on the left, and our custom navigation bar is undefined. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select each page node on the left and add it to the custom navigation bar. I'll select home, and then I'm going to add the resume link, the links page, and the portfolio page subordinate to it. I'll then select the portfolio page to drill down one level in the hierarchy. We'll ignore these anchor links that you see on the left. These reflect links to each one of the paragraphs within the portfolio lead-in page. And then let's select the subordinate child pages for NTFL, foundations, and methods. So on the right, I've reconstructed my page hierarchy following the hierarchy in the original site structure. However, we're going to make one more change now. Let me click on the home page to return to that level of the hierarchy. And note that the link types that are incorporated into the navigation bar reflect the site structure. The link types all reflect internal links to page nodes in the current hierarchy. Well, what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to select this drop down and select File Link instead. What I want to do is I want to browse for the NEA UFT resume that we customize for our use. We'll select that from the Assets folder and click Open. We'll then click Save to save it to the File Links selection. And with that selected, let's now add it to our custom navigation bar. And you see the icon for it added at the bottom. I'm going to drag this up so that it's subordinate to the resume page. And then what I want to do is click on the resume page link and remove it from the custom navigation bar. So what we've done is we've recreated our site structure, but we've substituted the resume page with an actual link to the PDF version of our resume. Now, we'll click OK to select this, and you'll note that the navigation bar looks pretty much as before except for the second button link, which is the long-winded version of the file name. Let's double-click on that and select it. You see that the button title reflects the name of the file that we've incorporated into that level of the hierarchy. Let's just change the name of that to Resume. And you'll note that the site structure now looks as before, except when we click Preview Mode, you'll see the magic that's occurred here. We'll allow block content as usual. Note that when I click on the home page, the home page comes up as we'd expect. The link page works as usual. The portfolio page works as before. But when I click on the resume page, the PDF version of the resume file comes up instead of the subordinate page in our site structure. So that's how you would convert a button link from pointing to a page to pointing to a file containing your content.